If you're seeing the ERR connection aborted error in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes you can try right now. This error usually points to a browser issue, a network problem, or something on your computer blocking the connection. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without needing any advanced tech skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, restart Google Chrome. Completely close the browser, make sure it is fully shut down, and then reopen it normally. Sometimes Chrome runs into a temporary glitch, and a simple restart is enough to clear it. If the page still will not load, move on to the next step. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, your Ethernet cable is secure if you're using a wired connection, and try opening a few other websites to see if they load correctly. If other sites are also failing, the problem may be with your internet rather than Chrome. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons this error appears. Now restart your router. Turn the router off, wait about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. This gives your network a fresh start and can clear out temporary connection problems. Once your internet comes back online, try loading the website again in Chrome. If the issue is still there, clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard, then select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Corrupted cache files can sometimes interfere with website connections, so clearing them can often fix the problem quickly. After that, flush your DNS cache. Press Windows and S, search for Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This refreshes the Windows DNS cache, which can help resolve connection errors caused by outdated network information. If needed, you can also reset your network settings. In the same command prompt window, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Then restart your PC. This repairs certain Windows network components and can fix deeper connection issues that are affecting Chrome. Another important step is to disable extensions. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Turn off anything that could interfere with websites, especially VPN extensions, ad blockers, security extensions, or proxy-related add-ons. Some extensions can interrupt website connections and trigger the ERR connection aborted error. So to recap, the main fixes are restarting Chrome, checking your internet, restarting your router, clearing cache and cookies, flushing DNS, resetting Winsock, and disabling problematic extensions. Try these steps one by one, and in most cases, one of them will solve the issue. If this tutorial helped you fix ERR connection aborted in Chrome, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.